Hello and welcome to this guided meditation. I'm Justin Epstein, author of the top-selling book Super You and minister of the Unity Center of New York City. I invite you to find a comfortable place right now to be able to sit upright in a way that's comfortable for your body. And let's take a nice, long, slow, deep cleansing breath. Good. Let us mentally now relax the body, becoming aware of the feet, just sending the thought, relax and let go. Relax and let go. Become aware of your legs and relax. Relax your abdomen and stomach. Let that part of your body relax and poke out. No need to hold that in right now. Become aware of your hands. Let your fingers relax. Your forearms, your biceps, your shoulders, all relaxing. Relaxing your back. Just send the thought, relax and let go. Relax and let go. Relax your chest. Become aware of your neck, relaxing the front, the back, and the sides of your neck. Relax the muscles in your face, your jaw, your cheeks, your forehead, your whole face, from the top of your head to the bottoms of your feet. Letting go, letting go, letting go. Relaxing. And now scanning your body and seeing is there still any place that needs to relax. Just gently tense and relax that part of your body. And now that the body's relaxed, let's concentrate the mind on the breathing. Just feel the breath moving in and out of your nasal passages. Flowing in and flowing out. Just watch the breathing. And when your mind wanders, just bring it back to the breathing. Concentrating the mind. Let's do that for a little while. Just watch the breath. And now take a nice long deep breath. And I invite you to just notice whatever you might be feeling within yourself. And just be present to whatever you're feeling in the moment. And watch what happens. Just see. Just notice what you're feeling. And now from this place of peace and centeredness, let us bless friends and family and all people everywhere, the planet Earth, the animals, all of life, by rubbing the palms of the hands together, magnetizing the hands, and we're going to hold them up now, and we're going to chant the sound of Om 3 times. Feel the energy flowing through you. Om. 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 Peace. Amen. Thank you for joining me for today's meditation, and I'll see you next time for another meditation. See you then.